Hello, it's Mike, and today we're going to have another look at Microsoft Planner at some of the different views that they have. So I'll just minimise myself. So if you log in at portal.office.com and click the 9 dots and then click on Planner, then you'll be on your Planner homepage. This is a test plan that I've created. The first thing we're going to look at, you can drag and drop these tasks. So in the previous video I showed you how to create buckets. You could have, say, jobs for Adele to do and then jobs for Alan to do, and then if Adele has completed some work and there's something for Alan to do, she can tick that off and then drag it over to Alan's bucket, and she just needs to reassign it to him like that. And that's another task for Alan to do. There's also at the top here, if you click on charts, it gives you some information about the tasks that have been done. You'll see Adele has one in progress and one completed, and Alan hasn't started any yet. Just some basic information there for you to have a look at to see the progress. There's also a schedule, so if you click on there, we change the date, it will show the dates of when these projects are taking place. If you click these dots at the top, there's some other options here. So if you click on members, you can see who's a member of the plan, and here we've got the 2 members. There's also a notebook, sites, so if there's anything linked to SharePoint, that'll be there. And then you've got your usual plan settings where you can change the background, customization, and the notifications as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Give us a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.